Hello friends, today we are going to see how to optimize the happy number program. If you don't know what is happy number, please go and watch my previous video. So we have explained there what is happy number, what is unhappy number there. So this program exactly the same which I was explained in that video. So um, yeah, we have one method, calculate sum of square. So in this method, what we are doing is we split each number and find the square of that number and sum all those numbers eventually and return it back to core of this method here. So what we have done is we have one temporary variable called temp, and we are having another variable result to store the um, um, what is that sum of the number. So uh, what I am thinking is, how can we enhance this method is, I am just thinking what this temp variable is doing here. So it just hold one number eventually. So we are just finding the last number of the what's been stored in the num variable. We are just finding the last number of that number and store it again into that temp variable. So what is the temp variable is used for is the what I is it just hold on number. So then again we are multiplying it and again store it in a result variable. So eventually the use of the temp variable is hold one number. That's it. So let me remove this temp variable. So we need to find out the square of a number and hold and store it in a result. Square of a number, that means num mod by 10. So there is one predefined method that is provided by Java. I am going to use that math.power. So here I am going to paste for what number we have to find the power. So I need to find the power of this number, and how I am mentioning how many times it should. So if you want to find the cube of that number, and just we need to mention here 3. I just want to only find the square of that number, so I am doing this. So we can remove this temp variable. So what we have done is we just remove one temp variable. Yeah, that's very great. So we can short this line out. How can we short? That means we are make this line short. So that's I hope that's all we can do here in this method. So let's move on to the color of this method, that is main method. What we are doing here, we are having one infinite loop, then if and else if statement, and adding the number into that set. So again we are calling one method. So this is necessary, we cannot remove this. So what else we can do is, so what the if statement and else if statement is doing, both are same. So just break. So I am gonna, how can we handle this is, or either or it should break. So we can remove this else if statement. So, and another way I am thinking, do we have this if statement? We are having infinite loop. If the number is equal to 1, just we are breaking. Or if the result set contain the given number, then even then also we are breaking. So I am thinking, why can't we have this in here? So not of the number should not equal to 1, and the result should not contain the given number. It should, if either one of it's true, so we should not enter into this while loop itself. So this is how we can enhance this program. As far as my knowledge, if you still you can you can enhance, optimize this code. If you find a way to optimize this code, please leave a comment with those code. That will be very helpful for us to learn from your end. So let's run this program. So I am using the not operator, logical not operator here. So if the number is equal to 1, or any one of its true, it will return as if the number is equal to 1, the result set contain the given number, any one of them are true, this will return as this selected part will return as true. So eventually we have this logical not operator in front of them, so it will finally it will be false. So it will not allow the controller to enter in this while loop. So the result will be getting accordingly. Say if this condition is satisfying, the result will be true, otherwise happy number, otherwise unhappy number. Let's execute with this given number. So now it should return happy. Yes, we got. So let's print this out with the 11. Yeah, unhappy number. Yeah, we got it. Let's do execute again with the 4. Yeah, unhappy number. Yes, we got the answer. We got the exact same answer as previous. So if you have, I'm keep telling, if you have any other way to optimize this code, please leave it in a comment. That will help for us. Thank you all.